Welcome, today I am with Realme GT Master Edition and we are going to check if this device comes with a charger in the box. As you can see, we can find here Super Dart brick charger. On this place you can also find the specification, but it's very small data, so you are not able to read. Maybe when I'm going to zoom a little bit, you will be able to take a look on this data right here. Oh yeah, I think that right now you are able to read the information that we can find here. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.